So we park at the side of the road. Seems like busy. It's Sunday. Nothing else to go. Rainy weather. It's starting to snow now. Okay. Let's go in here. So we are at the Sherwood Park Natural Area. Just going for a walk in the woods. Oh, we forgot to bring the bird food. Oh, you do? Good. See, there's a birds there. This is a sanctuary for birds. So you can just hold it up and then they will come fly. Yeah, see, there's a bird in the tree. You hold your hand up, maybe they come. It's January and we have +4 today. It's very warm for this year. Usually it's -18, -20. +4, I take it. Yesterday was clear sky, but I worked for 6 days, so couldn't go out. So the only day I'm off, and we're walking in Sherwood Park. Oh, there's one. It flew in my hand. Where's another one? Today we are at the Sherwood Park Natural Area, and we are taking a hike in this beautiful forest, and there are tons of birds here. If you bring bird feed, you can feed them. They fly right in your hand. It's just an awesome experience. Okay, spotting, and there's squirrels here. Big fat squirrel. Okay, we have birds incoming. Let's see, just hold out my hand. Stay still, there's 3 of them up front, 4. Okay, just stay still, stay still. They're going to come into your hand. They're coming. Or not, they're eating from the floor. Okay, just stay here where the bird feed is. Lots of them. Oh, there. Okay, nice. Okay. This is what we feed the birds. Bird feed. Oh, now we have nice weather. Look at that. It's clearing up. It was starting to rain when we arrived here, and now we have blue skies. Awesome. Oh, there are lots of bird feeds on there. Look at that. Oh yeah, there are birds and squirrel on this tree, and people left some bird food feed here. And it's coming. small woodpecker on the tree. It's very slippery today because it's raining and it's icy. Looking for hungry birds. This trail is 2.7 kilometers long and it's an awesome walking trail. You always stop and look for wildlife. There's so many birds in this area and we enjoyed it very much. It took us about 1.5 hours for the whole trail and we stopped so many times to feed the birds. It's coming. Just still. Stay still. It's coming closer. Yeah. Almost. It's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. Just stay still. He's coming back. Oh, squirrel. That is a fat squirrel. That is a fat squirrel eating bird feed. And he's on top of the... Lots of birds here. Somebody dropped the bird feed over there. The fat squirrel is still watching us, and now it's coming down. Yeah, birdie. Oh. Cool. That is a well-fed squirrel. got lost for half an hour here. It's getting dark. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We really enjoyed today walking in the park and feeding the birds. This is such a unique experience that we never did before. So please subscribe if you like it. Give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video.